Hey y'all, come on in. I told y'all I would come back and show y'all what I made today. So I've got some turkey leg and wing. Then I've got some chicken wings with green beans with the potatoes on there. There's some macaroni and cheese, cornbread, and fried corn. This is cream sour canned corn, but that's all I had because I didn't go to the store. So come in as I make a plate. Okay? Come on in and watch me make this plate. Look at all that ooey gooey goodness in these pans. You can use those drippings. You can use that broth. All right, and I took it off the top. It's not burning anything. It just gave it a good caramelization on top. The macaroni and cheese I took from the freezer. Y'all saw me do the green beans with the potatoes in them. I did the corn. And I did the cornbread. So when my husband comes in, he will have a meal. All right? A hard working meal. So I'm going to fix a plate. And as I fix this plate, I'm going to do my reel. Hey, Ja. So I won't be before you long. I just wanted you to see what I was about to do. Okay? Once I get through fixing this plate, then I'll show the outcome. Okay? So I'm going to sit y'all down. Now, I'm not a big starch macaroni eater. So I'm only going to probably use about 1/4 of a cup to give me a little scoop of macaroni. I don't want a lot of macaroni. Right? And then I'll probably use 1/2 cup of corn. But let's just see how it goes. Let's make a plate, shall we? All right. All righty, here we go. So I'm going to add me a little macaroni and cheese to my plate to get started. Just going to use this 1/4 cup scooper so it'll stay in place. Just like that. Please stay in place. Okay. Y'all see? So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to add some corn to this plate. We're going to add, I want a turkey wing. Okay. So hold on. Y'all just stay right there. Let me turn you up a little bit so y'all can see what I'm doing. Because I can't do it and hold y'all hand too. Do it look good? Okay, I'm going to get y'all a close-up. Hold on. Then I'm going to let y'all go. Please, today, Chef Willie is cooking it. I think he said 5:30. So we're going to get over there and support Catering My Way with Willie J. Catering My Way with Willie J. I'm going to get the wing. That's what I want. Okay. I want to get a scoop of corn. I'm using a little 1/2 cup scooper. Even though it's not white corn, it's not fresh corn, I like corn. That's 1/2 cup of corn. I'm going to put me some green beans on here. I got these little containers that I use. I just don't know what I did with it when I want to do this. But I just don't know what I did with it. So let me get me a scoop of potatoes and with the green beans. Let me see. Get a few more green beans here. And then we're going to get a piece of cornbread. I broke it by accident. And then I want to get some sliced tomatoes and onions. Hold on, let me let y'all see so far. what I got going on here. I think Willie said he coming on at 5:30. At 5:30. That's the other part of that. For y'all just coming in, is some wings underneath this plate. Okay. And they're just fine. They're not burnt. That's just that good caramelization that'll come on up with it. All right. Y'all help me cook it. All right. So now I think I want some cornbread, some onions and tomatoes. So let me see. Let me see if I got some onions and tomatoes. Y'all know I can't read now. I ain't got my glasses. I can't really control if Facebook don't give you your notifications. I don't control it my own self. I would be giving my own self notifications. So this plate for me is finished, other than me some onions and tomatoes. So that's what I cooked, and y'all see how quick I cooked it. One is because cook things when you have issues in your body, put it in the oven if you can't, you know. The second thing is that don't throw your macaroni and cheese away. You can freeze it. It's made out of cheese and milk. You can freeze cheese. You can freeze milk. You can freeze butter. As long as you don't keep the noodles in there too long. I made this macaroni and cheese 2 Sundays ago. Put it in the freezer. And I still have some more of that. I already had the chicken wings and the turkey wings, because I buy stuff on sale. The green beans are out of the can. I just doctored them up and didn't cook them too long. So now I'm going to put some heat on this and cut up some onions and tomatoes. Okay? Hold on. So while I'm getting that, let me put this in the microwave. Just for a few minutes. I like my stuff extremely hot. Let's see if I got some onions and tomatoes. I know I got onions, but I don't even want tomatoes. I do. So I'm going to cut my onion and tomatoes up, and that's it. I'm going to make a reel. Make sure y'all go watch my reels and share them too. That's going to come out. And all I need is some pepper and salt. And my husband is home. His dinner is ready. Okay? Waiting on this to ding and I'll finish. Hold on. Already warm, so I just had to put a little heat on it. Avery ready to eat. She done woke up. I'm gonna cut a tomato and some onion.
Daddy, I don't see.
That's it. What's she looking for? You ready to eat now? How you doing? Dinner ready when you ready, okay? Sometimes he don't eat time he get in. He have to take him a shower. It's Bible study night. If y'all want the Bible study number, I can give it to you if you want to join him in his Bible study. Avery did that. She come in here, I caught her in here playing with that water. I like my tomatoes. I put a little salt and pepper on my tomatoes. Okay. I'm going to show it to you. Hold on 1 second. Salt and pepper. You know we have to have that. A little bit of onion. Now, if you plan on kissing, you might not want no onion. Hold on, I'm going to show it to you. Let me cut up a little onion. And he has his Bible study. He does his online. He does his on a phone conference, not on social media. This is it. I just need this one onion. Onions just make... Onions keep making it taste good. Okay, I'm finna show it to you.
Come here.
I don't like this fat part of the onion. Alright, here we go. Let me show it to you. She's talking about Valentine's, I think she's talking about. He's gonna get it, Avery. Okay, let's look at it.
You say you wish you Friday morning.
Let me let y'all see.
Friday,
Avery. Tomorrow, Thursday.
Okay.
So, I got my onions and my tomatoes.
I have it for you.
I got my wing. My wing tip, you know, I like that. I got the corn. I got the green beans with the tomatoes in it and some homemade cornbread. All right, made out of an old-fashioned long-handled skillet. All right. I did these wings. They're good. I just put a coating on them. I got a turkey wing left. Got macaroni and cheese over there. Green beans, cornbread, and corn. Everything you see on my plate. I didn't get to cook Sunday, but I didn't cook a lot of what I did cook. All right. That's what's for dinner. All right. I'll let you have it one more time. Make sure 964 you sprinkle me. I'm not going to keep you. Cooking My Way with Willie J is going to be live cooking. Why don't you go on over and support my nephew? Cooking My Way with Willie J. Let's go send him some stars. He just got his stars. Listen, do the most you can ever do is the best you can. But let's encourage these young people. He's a 30-year-old young man that took a chance on creating a page. And he has a full-time job. And when he gets to where he needs to be, this just will aid him with his little kids and his wife, okay? So it's called Catering, C-A-T-E-R-I-N-G, My Way, with Willie J. Get on over there and support him. I'm finna do a quick reel on this. Thank y'all for watching me. I'm Mama's Comfort Cooking because I'm Tracy K. Mitchell, who cooks the food for Mama's Comfort Cooking. Get in there. Make sure y'all sprinkle me. I love y'all. Yes, I do. You made his pound cake? Yes. They are great cooks. Make sure you go follow my daughter, Creatively K Melody. She's got a song finna come out. Make sure you follow Philip, Marvin Music. Make sure you follow the pre-show, P-R-E-E show. That's Shook Pre. The Knowing, Lisa Knowing. Catering My Way with Willie J. Good Eat Sweet Treats, Danielle Carter. And also Sweet Creations by Melinda G. I don't know why y'all waited around for y'all Valentine's boxes, but Melinda has put her foot in those Valentine's boxes, and they're going to be worth every bite of that sweetness that she has filled those boxes with. Listen, I want you to go on, and I want you to enjoy your day. Miss Louise Burns, I can't go through all that right now. But what I can tell you is that I use 5 cheeses in my macaroni, and I use 3 milks, whole milk, heavy whipping cream, and canned milk. And then I have videos on all these. So what you can do is just go to the search engine and type in Mama's Comfort Cooking Macaroni and Cheese, Tracy K. Mitchell Macaroni and Cheese. And all of these are on there. Everything that I cook, I already have videos on it. Okay? I'm going to get on off of here so I can go support Willie. Catering My Way with Willie J. I hope I see my wasp and my bees over there. He should have at least 500 or 600 people on that live. Come, let me see that you'll follow me. Help somebody, okay? Because I see so many content creators. They people follow them. When they say go over there, they go over there. So I'm going to ask y'all, meet me there. I'll see y'all later, alligators.